Block 5 of our sampler quilt is going to be called Prairie Queen, but I'm actually going to also show you how to do Jacob's Ladder. It's made up of 9 units. The units you've had before, they are half square triangles, 4 patches and plain squares. So on the Prairie Queen we actually have 4 patches and 4 half square triangle units. So if I lay these out now so that they're going to be the Prairie Queen block, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 in the middle is 9.